A lot of people tell me the same thing. I've got the HTVRONT H17 phone case heat press, but which phone case should I actually use? So today, let's make it simple. I will walk through the options and help you to find the right partner for H17. First, let's look at the standard series. This line is mainly about lightweight and breathable during heating. When it comes to materials, you have two main choices. PC hard cases are less likely to warp or turn yellow over time. TPU soft cases feel softer and more comfortable in the hand. Based on that, if you want brighter colors, choose glossy. If you are looking for a more realistic, premium texture, go with matte. As for the camera area, you can choose between a precision cut and an open cut. At the moment, the standard cases available on the HTVRONT website mainly focus on glossy PC hard cases, so you can browse and choose based on your needs. If you're looking for a stronger drop protection, the 2-in-1 series is your next step up. It combines a PC hard back panel with a TPU soft frame, balancing clean looks with added impact cushioning. Visually, they're also available in both glossy and matte finishes. But to keep the design clean and sharp, they mostly use an open camera cutout. HTVRONT's new 2-in-1 series is coming soon. It features glossy hardback panels with both magnetic and non-magnetic versions available. The entire lineup keeps the open cutout design, offering solid protection while keeping the camera view clean and unobstructed. Stay tuned. No matter which case you choose, they're all coated with a high-quality sublimation layer, built to handle high temperatures and made for 3D full-rip transfers with the HTVRONT H17. So honestly, there's no one best option. It really just depends on how you use your phone and how you want your designs to look. One last important tip before you go. Some sublimation cases on the market use a flat aluminum plate glued onto a PC shell. Those are not made for 3D transfers with film and a phone case heat press. They work much better with sublimation paper and a flat heat press machine, not a 3D phone case heat press like the H17.